If you're anything like me, you likely learn things the hard way. When most people try to train pull-ups for the first time, they're usually met with a great deal of struggle, whether that be pulling with your arms, internally rotating your shoulders at the top, or just kipping, struggling, etc. Don't get me wrong, we've all been there, but it's very important that you begin teaching yourself the right patterns in order to progress. Today, you're going to learn the 5 key steps to picture perfect pull-up form, and then how to regress it to meet your starting point. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video and let's dive in. For the purposes of this tutorial, you should ideally have access to a bar that you can hang freely from without your feet touching the ground. Now, without further ado, we're going to go over the 5 key steps to picture perfect pull-up form. The first being grip, the second being shoulder and scapula positioning, the third being proper bracing and engagement, the fourth being proper breathing, which ties into that, and the fifth being elbow positioning. And I can't stress this enough, guys, I highly recommend using chalk for your grip. It's truly night and day. Now we're gonna go through this together, step by step. Walk up to the bar and grab the bar shoulder width apart with your knuckles facing the sky. When you grip, think about breaking the bar in half. When you do this, naturally you'll feel your lats engage. Great. Now that you're hanging, you want to begin to externally rotate your shoulder blade. Retract your scapula and point your chest to the sky. As you retract your scapula, you're going to want to think about pinching a pencil between your shoulder blades. When you pull, think about pulling your chest to the bar. Even if you can only get your chin over, just keep that in mind. Okay, 2 steps down. Now we just need to learn proper bracing and engagement. This is the most important step that will transform your reps and progress by sealing out all energy leaks. To learn proper bracing, if you insert your thumbs just above your hip bones, a proper brace should drive them outwards as you breathe in. Now keep that in mind when you're on the bar. We're not done yet though. As you brace and engage your core, you want to also engage your entire lower body to generate power, from your glutes and quads through to your calves and toes. Okay, now that we've learned proper bracing, it's time to incorporate proper breathing with that. Breathe in as you brace and engage, pull. Then slowly breathe out as you lower yourself. Now, to bring it all together, last but not least is elbow positioning. Aim to keep your elbows tucked at least 45 degrees. This will be a struggle, but this transfers to safer and more effective pull-ups by putting less strain on your rotator cuff and contributing to better lat engagement. Okay, great. Now that we've learned proper technique, how can we regress this safely to meet our starting point? Because keep in mind, even if you can only manage 1 or 2 reps, you're gonna wanna progressively overload the reps if you actually wanna progress fast. And the best way to do that and form a solid mind-muscle connection is with bands. Aim for 8 to 12 quality reps in a set before decreasing the size of the band. And please, I beg of you, stay away from the assisted pull-up machines at the gym. As previously discussed, we want a bar that we can hang freely from. In the case of the assisted pull-up machines, they force you to tuck your knees, which leads to energy leaks and dead weight. They're also set up in such a way that kind of forces you to rely more on pulling from your arms as opposed to your back, leading to bad habits and stalled progress. Okay, really quick, to recap. Walk up to the bar, grip the bar shoulder width apart. Squeeze the bar as if you're trying to break it in half. Now retract your scapula, brace your core, and engage your legs. Take a sharp breath in as you pull, and remember to keep your elbows tucked at least 45 degrees. Now, in the learning process, I'm not looking for 100% perfection. I'm just trying to get you to wrap your head around this so that you can start to think about what's happening here. And over time, keeping these form cues in mind will transform your pull-ups. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful and think you're ready for the next level, check out these 2 videos next. Oh, and don't forget to like this video for a much needed pat on the back. Later, guys.